Alright, here's another video of a mechanical pencil. This is the Kuru Toga. You can see, advance. This is the 0.7. It's a white one. There's the lettering on the top area. You can probably make it out a little. The lead in this one is the Lamy. It's an HB. Oh, there you go, sorry. Lamy, an HB, 0.7. Balance on this one is the same as the previous Kuru Toga, or however you pronounce that. It is slightly top heavy. It has the protected barrel. See if you can see better in the shadow. Why isn't the lead coming out? That's weird. But yeah, the barrel comes back as you write. As you can see, maybe in the video, hopefully. Let me go ahead and do some writing. This has the rotation engine. As you write, it'll bring up, it'll rotate the lead, but like as you go, when you bring it up, it rotates. See, it rotates, 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 rotates. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I could do some lines. I'm rotating the barrel as I'm writing because it doesn't actually rotate as you're pressing down with the lead. It only rotates the lead when you bring it up. And swirlies. I'm going to do some lines so I can erase them. The reason the barrel rotates is so that as you write, it sustains a solid point. Let me give you an example. This would be the tip of you writing without rotating the pencil on your own as you write. It would be, when it's an auto rotate, this is the only part that would, and then this would be a longer, well, those who use mechanical pencils would understand. And this tip would be the one if you went straight down with your lead as you were writing. So this here and this here would probably be about the same, but the likelihood of you breaking your lead when writing straight down is higher, depending on the paper you use. Alright, let me go ahead and do the erasers. Do this one first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get that debris off. There's that on the eraser. Right. That's going to be it for today. I did 3 mechanical pencils today, and I read from the Book of Lists today. Like the other previous Kuru Toga, on this one, it's a little top heavy for my taste. They're fairly well made, I think, considering they're mostly plastic, I guess. There are metal pieces, obviously. But the rotation, I think, is a pretty awesome idea for those who do mostly writing. You just have to remember, depending on your application, to rotate the barrel as you write a line, so to speak. And the same thing with if you're going to be doing any scribbling. These wouldn't be used, I think, for sketching. not as much for drawing, but I think these would be perfect for those who are mainly using their pencils for writing, personally. All right, well, this is the 7. Yeah, this is 7. All right, thank you, and I hope these videos are going to help you. Thank you.